Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a heart-stopping stunt that one brave pilot pulled off in Dubai. Luke Czepiela, a skilled stunt pilot, recently accomplished the impossible by landing his Red Bull stunt plane on the helipad of one of the tallest buildings in the world. This luxury hotel in Dubai boasts a helipad that's only 27 meters in diameter and is situated 212 meters above the ground, making this landing even more challenging. To prepare for this daring feat, Czepiela practiced landing his plane over 650 times on a regular runway with a target painted on it. He also had to strip his plane of any unnecessary weight and modify some of its systems to make it as light as possible for the landing. Even with all these preparations, the landing still required a lot of skill and precision. The landing was the first time I performed this maneuver in real life, Czepiela said in a statement from Red Bull. I imagined it, trained on a simulator, but never used it in real life before.
Okay, so I'll try another one.
Okay, sounds good. I'll let him know.
Dart is on bullseye.
Bullseye, my friend! That was perfect!
We made history, man. We made history.
But landing the plane was only half the challenge. Czepiela had to take off again from the helipad, and this time he used nitrous oxide to give his plane a boost of acceleration. With this technique, Czepiela was able to take off smoothly and even managed to dive down along the wall of the hotel, creating an amazing visual experience. In the end, Czepiela accomplished what very few pilots could do, landing a plane on a tiny helipad attached to one of the tallest buildings in the world. This stunt was a true testament to his skills and a remarkable achievement for the world of aviation. And let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.